Hi solar companies, I'm Bill from EnergyBin. Today I'm here to give you tip number 8 from our series 10 tips for buying wholesale solar equipment. This tip is one of our favorites because you can have a little fun with it while setting your employees and customers up for success. Tip number 8 is, drum roll please, host product demos for your employees and customers. Product demos educate employees and customers on features, functionality, handling, and maintenance. Taking a proactive approach to training staff and customers on proper use has many benefits. You'll reduce internal damage. Your sales staff will feel more confident about selling hardware you stock. Your customers will understand upfront that their solar systems are comprised of quality components, and they'll have general knowledge about caring for the equipment, which leads to a lot longer life and optimal output. There are a number of formats to distribute product demo content. You can give live presentations during company meetings. You can review information one-on-one with customers. You can host webinars and write how-to manuals. One of the most popular formats is video, which only requires a camera for recording. Even a smartphone can do that job, as well as basic editing, software, and hosting platform like YouTube. So get creative and have some fun with it. That's our wholesale buying tip for today. Subscribe to our YouTube channel and get more tips and resources about buying and selling wholesale equipment. To learn more about EnergyBin, the B2B solar equipment trading community, visit our website or call us today.